Cleaning the air filter of your car air conditioning unit will provide you a cleaner air and at the same time colder temperature. This is an IST Toyota, and I will show you how to access the car air conditioning air filter. Now I am inside the car, and these are the dashboards and control panels. Okay, so all we need to do is to remove the compartment at the passenger seat side. Now you can see the evaporator assembly of your car. Okay, so we have there the air filter. This is the air filter. As you can see, it is very dirty. It's covered with dust. It is recommended that you should replace this every 6 months. But if we don't have a replacement, we can temporarily clean it by using our air compressor or pressurized air. Make sure you remove dust as much as possible before you return the air filter in the assembly. This will provide you a better air circulation and a lower temperature inside your car. This part is your cooling coil assembly. For general cleaning purposes, you need to remove all this evaporator assembly and clean it outside. For now, we just do air filter cleaning. So once you're done, you will just put back the compartment cover and then cleaning is done. Thank you.